Writing an offer on a home is exciting, but moving too fast can cost you big time. I'm Corbin Scott, your Treasure Valley real estate expert, and today I'm breaking down 3 smart moves you need to make before you put pen to paper so you can buy with confidence and win in this market. First, double check your pre-approval letter. Make sure it's current, matches your offer strategy, and positions you as a strong, serious buyer. I work directly with lenders to tailor pre-approvals specifically to each property, making sure you're competitive without giving away your full budget. It's small details like this that help my clients stand out in multiple offer situations. Next, review the comps strategically. Not every home is priced right, and market conditions can shift week to week. I analyze active listings, recent sales, and current trends to build an offer strategy that protects your money while keeping you competitive. It's about knowing when to push, when to hold firm, and how to win without overpaying. Finally, get clear on your must-haves versus your nice-to-haves. When you know what you're unwilling to compromise on, you can make stronger decisions faster. I help my clients focus on what truly matters so when the right home comes along, they're ready to act with confidence and without regrets. If you're thinking about writing an offer soon, or you just want to make sure you're fully prepared, text me, call me, DM me anytime. I'd love to help you put together a strategy that gives you the best possible chance of success. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, explore my other videos. They're all about what it's like living in Idaho, real estate news, trends, and smart advice to help you on your home buying or selling journey.